Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nisha. If you're new here, my name's Nisha and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wedding glam. So I'm getting married in less than a month now. I had my hair trial today and I hadn't tested out any makeup looks. I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do, but it was so difficult for me to decide without knowing what my hair was going to look like. So she did my hair today and I absolutely love it. It's exactly like how I dreamed it would look like. The hairpiece, like I wasn't sure exactly what to do with it, but she found like this really great spot. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. Like she did so amazing, and I'm so excited to have her as my hairstylist for my wedding day. So now I can finally put my makeup look together. So if you want to see how I put this together, what products I use, don't forget to subscribe and continue to watch. So I'm actually just going to start with like prepping my face because I don't really need to do anything to my eyes just yet because I don't actually plan on doing anything too crazy. I want to do like a subtle like bridal look. I haven't decided like what palette I'm going to use, so I'm going to kind of decide like as I go along and like create like my face look. I'm kind of torn between the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills or the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered. So like both palettes have the colors that I want. However, Soft Glam is just like, well, softer, and then this one I can make like a little more dramatic if I wanted to. So I can't really decide, but once I like get into it, I'll decide. So like I know that for sure I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty foundation. This shade is a little too light for me right now, but I'm waiting for my darker shade to come in the mail, which should be here like next week. So I'm just going to use this one for now. So don't mind me if this is too light for my face. Don't make fun of me, okay? I find that the Farsali Unicorn Essence works the best with the Huda Beauty foundation. It works better than the actual primer itself. So I'm gonna use this to prep my face. And then I'm gonna be using the Glam Glow Wake Moisturizers. Like I already moisturized, but I'm just gonna add this over top just to add a little bit of an extra glow. I'm gonna be using Nude Glow because it suits my skin tone a little bit better than Sun Glow because it's a little bit orangey. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna give my skin some extra shine. And now I'm going to go in with the foundation. The shade I'm using right now is Latte 300N. I don't know why I shake it. I feel like it doesn't really make a difference because this is like super thick. If you have any other suggestions on full coverage foundation, please comment down below because I really want to try other full coverage foundations that maybe aren't as thick as this one. I mean, I love this one, but sometimes it feels too thick for my liking, but I just use it for now because, and then usually I take like this flat foundation brush and I just kind of like got this. I don't actually use it to like blend it in, and sometimes I put a little down here to even me out a little. Usually I just use whatever's left. Okay. I'm gonna take a beauty blender, put some water in it. I like to take a spray bottle and just oh yeah, go. Just gonna blend this all in. Yeah, it's definitely too light, guys. It's fine. It's just for this video. For concealer, I'm gonna use my usual favorite here, the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using it to really lighten up my under eyes right now. I might end up using my like regular concealer shade, but right now we're using this. I want to cake it on today because I'm going to be honest with you, on the wedding day it's probably going to be extra cakey, extra setting powder like all day, honey. That's how this is going to go. I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's like extra drying today. I'm just gonna put like a little down here. Oh god. There we go. Blend it all in. Makes me look a little bit like a ghost, but that's okay. I'm like extra pale, like the difference is crazy. Don't worry guys, it's not gonna be me on my wedding day. I'm gonna get the right shades. I'm just waiting for them. Okay, then I'm going to use setting powder. I'm going to use the MAC Patrick Star. It's one of my favorites. I actually really like the MAC formula. This is the first setting powder I've ever bought from MAC. And I really, really enjoy it. Just going to dab some around. There we go. Set this all in, bake it up. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Okay. And while that like sets and bakes, I'm gonna get some foundation off my eyebrows up here because there's like, and then I'm gonna go in with the contouring, and I'm actually gonna end up, I know for sure I'm gonna use it, it's my favorite. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. It's my absolute favorite. I usually go for this shade here. I'm just gonna take a little on this brush. I don't want it to be too intense, so I'm just gonna give myself a nice little bronzed contour look. And then for like the rest of my face, I'm just gonna blend that in a little more. And then for the rest of like around my forehead and to like shape my face, these are lighter ones. I'm gonna use this one because I feel like this is more of my skin tone right now. It's gonna lightly like brush it along. So adds a little bit more like depth, I guess. I don't know. Add something. Makes me look less pale right now too. I look like I didn't use the wrong foundation. There you go. So it kind of like brings everything together. Makes me look way less like washed out. And then for blush, I'm just going to be using this. I don't know if this is the blush I'm going to use, but it's what I'm going to use today. I'll label everything when I take photos and stuff because I'm doing my own makeup for my wedding. I don't really want anyone else to do it. So today I'm just going to use this really light pink one, but I'm going to like be very gentle because I don't want it to make my cheeks too rosy. Just like that. Just going to dab it along. Oh, yeah. And like usually before I like start doing like my eye makeup and stuff, I take like my Laneige lip sleeping mask. You don't have to sleep with it on. It's really hydrating regardless if you're awake or not. I'm just gonna let it like sit and hydrate my lips before I actually put lipstick on. And now I'm gonna brush off the excess powder. I try to like brush it away or down. I don't know why I do that. I just do it like that. It's just kind of how it's done. It's how I see everyone else doing it, so it must work. I'm hoping that like of that day, I won't have like these dark creases, or, like these deep creases in my eyes. I'm really tired right now because I obviously went to work today, and it's the end of my day. So I have these creases, but I'm gonna be well rested for my wedding day, I think, hopefully. So that's just like the face. We'll do like highlighter and stuff after, but let's get started onto the actual eye look. Okay, so for the eye look, I'm actually going to use probably both the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam as well as the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered because they both have like shades that I'd like to use. So I'm going to use both of them. I'm going to start with the crease and the outer lid. For that, I think I'm actually going to use the shade Rustic from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. Getting dark. Okay. I'm trying to make it as light as possible because I don't want it to be too dark. I actually really just want to go for something soft just because I don't really want anything too dramatic. I just like, for me it's weird because I always do like crazy, like I like bright, dramatic, deep looks, but for this event in my life I will do it very, very soft. I'll do it like a little bit deeper on the outer lid and like in the outer crease, but like just a little, nothing too crazy. Okay, so it's like pretty soft here, like on the outside. I'm just gonna kind of blend it in out here first a little bit better, but like just want to do it nice and soft, right? I don't want anything too crazy. And then I'm gonna take this, this pinkish one here. It's called Dimmer. I had a problem with this one in my last video with it. And I'm just gonna actually put that in the inner lid here, but like very lightly. So I'm gonna dab it in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of sandalwood and I'm just gonna lightly blend it into Dimor. It's gonna be like freaking really light. It's like a hard. I know how I want to do this, but I like really need it to be perfect. And then I'm going to take, which one am I gonna do? I actually really want to use this pink diamond shade. It's like kind of purpley. It's really nice. It's so creamy. Okay, that actually didn't turn out too bad. It's actually not bad at all. It actually doesn't look too bad, guys. I'm actually like pretty impressed with myself right now. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of, it's really hard, a sienna from, so like this one here. I'm just gonna like ever so gently put it in to this outer piece. I just want to like darken it up just like a little. And then I will go in and add some eyeliner. Okay, for lashes, I am going to use House of Lashes. However, I'm not going to use the lashes today that I plan on using for the wedding because I don't want to use them and ruin them or whatever. I want to make sure that they're like in the best condition they can be for the wedding. I have tried these lashes before. It's just now they're gone, but I know I really love them. I originally was going to use Lily lashes, but they're really thick and they're kind of heavy and uncomfortable to wear all day, so I decided to wear House of Lashes because their band is just a little bit thinner and it's a little bit more comfortable for me to actually wear. So I'm gonna go and apply those. I'll be back. So I applied my lashes. The lashes I used today were House of Lashes, and these ones are in the style Knockout. I'm just gonna apply like a little bit of extra eyeliner just to like line the rest of my eyes. Okay, and then for highlighter, now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna be using the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Why does he ask car just driving by all the time? I really love this highlighter. Like, it's so subtle, but it really gives you like that pop that you want. Like, I just love it. It's my favorite. So I'm just gonna brush along here. Oh yes, highlight. Okay, and then the next hardest part is lipstick. No idea what I'm gonna do for lipstick. I think I'm gonna do like a pinkish nude, might not, probably just gonna stick with nude. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay lip liner. I think this shade is in Liar. It's like the closest one to my actual shade. So when I wanna overline, it's like perfect. I think I'm just gonna go in. I might not actually use this shade on the wedding day, but I know what kind of color I'm actually looking for. It's probably gonna be nude. It looks the best because like, you know, like throughout the day when your lipstick like fades a little, at least it doesn't look like gross. Let's use the sure thing. I bought like mostly nudes and one pink because I love nudes. So this one's a little darker. Let's try this one. Okay, that one's better. It's still not my favorite, so I don't know exactly what shade I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna have to play around with it. Might end up using either MAC or Huda Beauty. Those are my go-tos. MAC lasts the longest. It doesn't dry my lips out the most, but this looks okay. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix and Prime. My freaking favorite. I love these. Honestly, I might just buy like a mini one of these ones and just keep it with me the whole day. I'm going to build myself like an emergency kit. Okay, so there we have it. All glammed up. Ready to go. We have an idea of what my hair is going to look like, or exactly how it's going to look like. Now I know like how I want to do my makeup. I really want to do like soft glam because the curls now are very soft and like loose, and so now it kind of makes me picture like what I'm going to look like actually on my wedding day. So far I'm super happy. I might not use this shade of lipstick. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I don't know. I mean, at least with lipstick, you can keep changing it throughout the day if you want, as long as you use like a light color, like a light nude like I want to do. But I'm so excited and I'm super happy that I got to film this video for you guys, because clearly I wouldn't have time to stop and film a video for you guys on the wedding day, actually me doing makeup, so I could kind of do a trial run with you guys, as well as if this is the look I'd go for, then you guys know exactly how I created it. So stay tuned for photos within the next like month and a half, I guess, for like the finished look with my wedding dress and everything. And I really just want to say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye.